हेलो एवरीवन, वेरी गुड इवनिंग। कैसे हैं आप सब? आई होप यू ऑल आर फैंटास्टिकली गुड। आप सभी की पढ़ाई खूब खूब अच्छे से चल रही होगी। So guys, please let me know that whether audio, video, screen is everything running good? Very good evening. Yes, I'm able to see all the guys present. Yes, present. Please post your presentees and your attendance. All right. Okay, guys, welcome back to the last lecture of this particular chapter. तो इस चैप्टर में हम लोगों ने कुछ चीज़ें ऑलरेडी पढ़ ली है, कुछ क्वेश्चंस ऑलरेडी सॉल्व कर लिए हैं। आज मेजर थिंग जो हमको करना है वो है इस चैप्टर को बाय बाय। ठीक है, ये चैप्टर विल कम टू एन एंड टुडे एंड वी आर आल्सो गोइंग टू सॉल्व सम इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम योर स्टडी मटेरियल्स एज वेल। ठीक है, ऑल सेट? आई होप यू ऑल हैव रिवाइज्ड एंड कम। हाँ जी, रिविजन हो चुका है। All right, so after the thorough understanding of the concepts for last three particular sessions, आज है हमारा दिन to sum up all our understanding to get ready for answering the Q&A. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं अपना सेशन with पूछा पूछी. How many of you all have revised the content? Module done. Ram, Vishal, Pavan, Brijesh, Kiran, Dipashri, Rishil, yes. Devashish, Meena, Laditi, Simran. All right. Revision done. वैसे छोटा छोटा 2 स्टैंडर्ड पढ़ा है हम लोगों ने. छोटे छोटे स्टैंडर्ड. चलो एक क्विक रिविजन कर लेते हैं. Quick recap of the things which we have done. We started with SQC1, which was almost the same as SA220. So we started with the elements of quality control. जो दोनों में same था. We also added some important concepts with regards to EQCR, para 27, then allegations and complaints and complaints. ऐसी वाली चीजें हम लोगों ने additionally पढ़ी. Then we also saw what is the differentiation between these particular standards, that is SQC versus SA2. Done? इतना याद आ रहा है? So now can we start with the Q&A? This is not okay. The first very question here on your screen goes like this. आज major part of the class would be dedicated to Q&A. As I told you, the exam oriented session जो हम लोग करते हैं, exam oriented batch basically जो हम करते हैं, it has 3 particular parts, right? The concepts, that is explanation, come retention with keywords. Then we have Q&A. And then we do have MCQs. So आज का target है Q and A and रिमेनिंग जो चीज है MCQs दैट विल बी डूइंग गुड जॉब. PQR and Associates are statutory auditor of listed companies. There arose an issue during the course of audit related to related party transactions. The engagement partner wants to consult the engagement quality control reviewer about this matter during the course of audit process itself. Can he consult EQCR? Discuss. आज मैंने क्या कहते हैं, मैंने कोई ऑडिट कंडक्ट किया है एंड मुझे प्रॉब्लम हो रही है कि क्वालिटी मेंटेन है या नहीं है. मैं चाहती हूँ कि मैं कोई रिव्यूअर को कंसल्ट करूँ. जैसे कि मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूँ सर इसमें मैं क्या करूँ, अब मुझे बता दो ना, मैं वैसे वैसे काम करती हूँ. कैन आई कंसल्ट EQCR? कैन EQCR during the course of audit give me advices, suggestions and stuff? Think logically and tell me, okay? Quick guys, faster. Okay, some are telling yes, some are telling no. Vijay says no. Arjun says yes. Ram says yes. The answer is no. Why? I'll tell you. See, if reviewer and the engagement partner are working as a team, there is no point of reviewing. So, it is necessary to maintain objectivity of the reviewer. Therefore, in the engagement, therefore participation in the engagement, making decisions is required to be avoided. So I cannot actually be involved, the reviewer cannot actually be involved in the process of conducting audit. Okay? Therefore, we'll say you should not directly be attached or involved in auditing. However, engagement partner may consult that how should I maintain the quality, may consult engagement quality control reviewer during the engagement, so as not to compromise over his objectivity and eligibility. So the point out over here is, when I talk about consultations, I can take up consultations to an extent that the reviewer is independent in nature. That is not actually contradicting with his objectivity. Everyone understands? Viji, did you understand? You were right, but to a partial extent. Got it? हमको लिख कर क्या ना, ठीक है कंसल्ट करो, but provided it should not hamper your objectivity. Next question. Beta Private Limited has approached a firm of chartered accountants to assist them in preparation of financial statements and issue compilation report in this regards. Okay. Do the CA firm has a responsibility in relation to the quality control for the said engagement? If yes, please explain. Which engagement is this? This is a compilation engagement. Okay. So do the firm has to comply with quality control for such kind of engagement? Very good. This is related services. This is SRS, and absolutely, as a practicing chartered accountant, standard and quality control is applicable on the firm, and hence yes, it is required to be applicable. Okay, guys, this is the question from your study material. ठीक है, ये नए मॉड्यूल के सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं. This is not my own question. मेरे खुद के क्वेश्चंस भी आएंगे, तब मैं बताऊंगी. Ramanujan, a CA final student, feels that Audit file, sorry, engagement file in audit engagement should be ready prior to the issue of audit report. ये हमारा करना actually बाकी है. Discuss whether the Ramanujan's view is in order or not. तो बेटा ऑडिट रिपोर्ट जो होता है एंड ऑडिट फाइल जो होती है, तो ऑडिट फाइल, एंगेजमेंट फाइल, ऑडिट फाइल कब बन जानी चाहिए? ऑडिट रिपोर्ट के पहले या ऑडिट रिपोर्ट के बाद? ऐसे 230 में दिया हुआ है. ऑडिट फाइल, ऑडिट रिपोर्ट. Yes, it's audit documentation. Guys, they are not talking about documentation. They're talking about engagement file. They're talking about audit file. Assembly of audit file. Very good. बाद में it has to be assembled after the audit report. Guys, do you remember essay 230 of your CA intermediate? It says assembly of audit file is required to be completed within 60 days, maximum 60 days after the audit report. So that is quite okay. So you can absolutely finalize your audit report and then you can assemble the audit file. Thus Ramanujan, you are not in order. Is it before? Where it is? Is it prior? No, it can be 60 days after audit report. Next, question number 4. B&E and company are in midst of audit process of a listed company. During the course of audit, an issue arose relating to the revenues from contract with customers as in terms of Ind AS 115. Okay. The engagement partner took a certain stand. However, EQCR recommended otherwise after the review. तो engagement partner बोलता है qualified, but EQCR बोलता है adverse. The engagement partner is not willing to accept the recommendation of reviewer. How can the stalemate be ended? अभी stalemate का मतलब होता है ये fight को कैसे रोका जाए, क्या कर सकते हैं? How can this stalemate be ended? तो जब भी ऐसी चीज होती है, can we issue the audit report, discuss and come out of? Very good. When this kind of thing happens, audit report should not be issued until unless this fight is over. हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था बुक में, in case of disagreement, in case of differentiation in the opinion, the audit report is not to be issued. Difference of opinion, you resolve the opinion. अगर resolve नहीं हो रहा है तो kindly do not issue, not to issue the audit, cannot issue the audit report. Very good. Guys, are you able to recall this? या मैं अकेली अकेली बात कर रही हूँ आप लोगों से? हाँ, याद आ रहा है कि हाँ हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है तो उसका आंसर ऐसा देना. Yeah, if the recommendation are not accepted, matter is not resolved or satisfactory, so you should come to a conclusion. If not, audit report should be issued only after the matter is resolved. ठीक है, तब तक के लिए हम लोग कोई भी रिपोर्ट नहीं देंगे. लालाजी, ब्रिजेश, राम, बीजी, got it? All right. Is it going easier? Audit is not difficult. MBA and Associates, ये चीज हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था कि नहीं पढ़ा था? ये हम लोगों ने पढ़ा है बच्चों. MBA and Associates, वो वाला कौन सा है? ये इंटीग्रिटी वाला. ये कल ही हो गया हमारा पूछा पूछी. एक्सेप्टेंस एंड कंटिन्यूएंस, इंटीग्रिटी के लिए इंटीग्रिटी ऑफ द क्लाइंट. Integrity of the client already done. दिस इज माई फेवरेट वन, ये मेरा फेवरेट है, शुरू करते हैं. Messrs. N.K. and Company Chartered Accountants were appointed as a stat auditor for Fresh Juice Limited for the year 1920. The previous year, the audit was conducted by LP and Associates. Okay. The audit was completed and the report was submitted. It was found that closing balance for the year 1819 were incorrectly brought forward. Okay. It was found that Messrs. NK did not apply audit procedures to ensure the correctness of the opening balances because करंट ऑडिटर को ऐसा लगा कि लास्ट ईयर के ऑडिटर ने अपना काम किया ही होगा. Should I waste my time in checking the opening balances and stuff? So he did not apply his procedures in verifying the numbers brought forward from previous period. Accordingly, a complaint was filed against NK in relation to this matter. So client भड़क गया. Client बोलता है तुम आधा अधूरा काम करते, तुमने देखा ही नहीं पहले क्या हुआ था. You are now required to inform what policies are required to be implemented by NK and Company for dealing with such complaints and allegations as per SQC1. All right. $510. So will you write essay 510 here? No, you're going to write about how will you handle this complaints and allegations. So first of all, let me tell you the first crux how to handle question and answers. सबसे पहली बात how to handle question answers is, ऊपर चाहे वो लोग जो भी स्टोरी दे, the last focus should be here. Allegations and complaints. So whatever the last line says, that has to be the important part to read. इसके हिसाब से आपको आंसर लिखना है. So always focus on the last line. In this particular answer, there is no comment with regards to 510. ठीक है? Yes. Communicate with that person in charge. Revamp the existing policies. Formulate the new policies in case of deficiencies. Take disciplinary actions. So complaints and allegations. When the firm is failing to comply with all these things, तो अगर complaints मिला है, then you should see कि कहाँ से complaint मिला है, whether it is originating within the firm या outside the firm. As a part of the process, you must have a person as a channel. आपको एक channel create करना है कि ठीक है, freely मुझे आकर के complaints लोग दे सके. You should investigate such complaints and allegations. You should respond. In case of deficiency, you need to design the new procedures and take appropriate disciplinary action. Got it? Them perfect? Surely. Saranya is actually giving me the right answer. Saranya, yes. Ram, yes. Human resource and training is not the part of this particular answer. This falls under complaints and allegation, guys. Complaints and allegation may, wait, I'll just make you see. Where is complaints and allegation? Yeah, here. Complaints and allegation. Here. Complaints and allegation, you should see that it is originating within the firm or outside the firm. You should see कि the channels are there defined to raise up these concerns. Complaints and allegations के लिए investigation करना शुरू कर दो. You see any suitable external person to give you advices. In case of deficiencies, have new policies being formed and take appropriate actions against that individual. Very good. Next question. Question number 8. Beautiful question, okay? Beautiful question. HK and Company, a chartered accountant, a CA, has been the auditor of SAT Limited for last 8 years. CAH is a partner of the firm, has been handling the audit very well since appointment. मतलब उनके appointment से वो audit handle कर रहे हैं. The audit work of CAH and her team is reviewed by the senior partner. Very good. CAK, to ensure that the audit is performed in accordance with the professional standards, regulatory and legal requirements. CAK was out of India for some personal reason. वो घूमने गई थी. Hence, in this particular year, CAG was asked to review the audit work. In your opinion, what areas CAG should consider for review? And list any 4 areas. Also comment on whether the firm is complying with SQC or not. Oh my goodness, BG, very nice. Totally yes. क्या बात है? Oh my god, I still can't believe it. You all got the answer very right. So when they're talking about comment on whether the firm is complying with quality control, we'll say no. Because it is a listed entity, a single partner cannot audit beyond 7 years. Here, Mr. H is handling since 8 years. This is non-compliances of SQC. Everyone understands this? Para 27, absolutely yes. ये जो भी बच्चे एग्जाम दे रहे हैं, ये लोग नवंबर दे करके आए हैं या फर्स्ट टाइम पढ़ रहे हैं? अमनदीप, बेटा, I can expect you giving me the right answer, but other than that, Brijesh, Saranya, Devashish, yes, बच्चे, very good evening. Okay, and here there is one more question, guys. List down the 4 areas of review जो रिव्यूअर को रिव्यू करना है. Very good. हाँ जी. Areas of review. What can you review? You can review their independence. You can review the professional judgments. Areas of judgment जहाँ पे हम लोग बोल रहे थे. Skepticism कहाँ पे लगाया है? Evidences, the conclusions. Every area can be reviewed by the reviewer. So there are multiple areas. You can write any 4. Para number 27. Yes. Very good. Very rightly said. And then what areas can you review? You can review independence, risk, significant risk, judgments made, appropriate consultations taken or not, any uncorrected misstatements, any working papers, whether the audit report is appropriate or May 24 first time. Very good, Bridget. Alright, so perfect. Now, going to some questions related to essay 220. This is the question which is already done. हो गया ना? नहीं हुआ है. ये ऋषिल कुमार, ये लाला जी आंसर देंगे मुझे. Rishil Kumar and company has been appointed as an auditor for PK for the financial year 16-17. CA Kumar, one of the partner of Messrs. Rishil Kumar and company, completed the entire audit work by 29th of May 2017. Unfortunately, on the very next morning, when he was roaming to the office, he met with an accident and he died. Met with an accident and died. CA Rishi had another partner, Mr. Kumar. Now Mr. Kumar, without even reviewing the work of Mr. Rishi, he is trying to sign the audit report. Please explain whether the steps taken by Mr. Kumar are appropriate or not. Yeah, tell me. He has to exercise due diligence. He has to take due care for. He has to exercise due care before he is signing the audit. You also have to obtain a sufficient and appropriate audit. Was a part. He will be entitled to rely over the work, yes, provided he exercise adequate skill and care and is not aware about any reasons to not believe the work. Okay, not appropriate. You should exercise due diligence and care. In this particular case, you should not sign the report prior. Next. Very good. Vishal, Hanji. Aditi, yes. Question 10 of this particular chapter. OP and Associates are the statutory auditors for BB Limited. BV Limited is the listed entity and it started its operation 5 years back. The field of work during the audit of the financial statement for the year ended 31st of March 2018 got completed by 1st of May. The audit report was ready on 12th of May. During the documentation review of the engagement, it was observed that EQCR was completed on 15th of May. Please comment. That is everything appropriate. For the year ended March 2018, audit completed on 1st of May. Audit report was on 12th of May. Review report was on 15th of May. Review completed on 10th of May. This fastest finger first kind of a question. Please arrange the events in the chronological order or the sequential order. Yes, there you go. So EQCR has to be done before issuance of audit. Don't do it after the issuance of audit. Yes. For the financial statements, whatever report we are issuing, be it modified or unmodified, the review has to be done before the audit. In the given case, this is not in order. The fact of it. Beautiful question. Question number 11. During the audit of FMP Limited, the listed entity, engagement partner completed his review and also ensured compliances with independence requirement that apply to audit engagement. The engagement files were also reviewed by engagement quality control reviewer except the independence assessment documentation. Engagement partner was of the view that the matter related to independence assessment are the responsibility of engagement partner and not the reviewing partner. Engagement quality control reviewer objected on this and he refused to sign the documents. Says कि come on you क्या बोलता है कि come on इंडिपेंडेंस रिव्यूअर क्यों चेक करेगा, मैं इंडिपेंडेंस हूँ मेरे को पता है, यू कैन नॉट रिव्यू माई डॉक्यूमेंटेशन या इंडिपेंडेंट असेसमेंट, यू कैन नॉट टेक. रिव्यूअर को भी बुरा लगा, रिव्यूअर सेज कि ठीक है आई नॉट साइन योर रिपोर्ट, गो. नाउ यू एडवाइज इन दिस पर्टिकुलर केस एज पर ऐसे. Engagement partner is not correct. Very good. Yes, Mr. Sheikh, thank you. Very good. This is wrong. So engagement partner cannot deny any assessment by reviewer. Reviewer has full authority to review the independence, the judgment, the key risk, the significant risk, evidence is obtained, the conclusions, the report which is appropriate or not. ये सब कुछ तुम कर सकते, बिंदास कर सकते. What are the components of quality control? We are done. DHEM it is, okay? This is also a kind of tricky question. Try formulating words because this is RTP question. ये question में ना बच्चों, उन्होंने क्या किया है, उन्होंने छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को मर्ज करके एक पूरा पैराग्राफ दे करके रखा है आंसर में. ठीक है. The firm should establish policies and procedures designed to provide a reasonable assurance that the policies, procedures relating to the systems of quality control are relevant, are adequate, and are operating effectively. Such policies and procedures should include ongoing considerations of evaluations of the firm's quality control. Subpravachan. In including the inspection, selection of the completed engagement by etc. etc. Explain in above context the purpose of monitoring. तो सीधा सीधा बोलो ना कि मॉनिटरिंग क्यों करना है ये बताओ. तो उन्होंने ये पूरा स्टेटमेंट जो दिया है ना स्टार्टिंग का, दिस फुल स्टेटमेंट इज मॉनिटरिंग. फुल स्टेटमेंट इज मॉनिटरिंग. तो उन्होंने बोला सिर्फ द पर्पस ऑफ मॉनिटरिंग क्या है. तो हमको बस वही पर्पस ऑफ मॉनिटरिंग बताना है कि देयर हैज टू बी अधेरेंस विद पॉलिसीज एंड प्रोसीजर्स, द लीगल रिक्वायरमेंट. देयर हैज टू बी अधेरेंस टू द इंटरनल पॉलिसीज, internal controls designed by the firm. Appropriate follow-up should be taken for modifications या promptly changing the new policies. So that is the main purpose of monitoring. I'm giving you 1 minute. Quickly go through the answer. This is the right point. 1, 2, and 3. Yes. Whether they are implemented, comply with legal requirements. Yes. Very good. Whether they are implemented effectively. Saranya, very nice. Ram, very nice. And to take appropriate actions. Good one. ये तुम देख देख करके आंसर दे रहे हो कहीं से या बिना देख करके आंसर दे रहे हो? हाँ, इतना फटाफट फटाफट कैसे आंसर आ रहा है? आज तो बिल्कुल भरोसा नहीं हो रहा है मुझे तुम लोगों पे. पढ़ाई करके आए हो इसके लिए? 3 दिन में मैंने जो क्लास में पढ़ाया सब कुछ रिवाइज किया है इसके लिए या देख देख करके आंसर दे रहे हो? आज तो लास्ट डे है इस चैप्टर का तो मैम को नाराज नहीं करते, चलो भले देख करके आंसर दे दे. ऐसा तो नहीं कर रहे हो ना, दिल दुखाने वाला काम. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. ये भी हम लोगों ने कर लिया है. वेरी गुड, डन, वेरी गुड. दिस इज ऑल्सो डन गाइज. हम लोगों ने वो एक्सेप्टेंस एंड कंटिन्यूएंस का क्वेश्चन किया था. Accepting the new integrity of key management, attitude of the owners and TCWG. Remember, nature of the business. For accepting new engagement, what will be considered? Integrity. Whether we are competent, any significant rose in the previous audit, whether we will be ethical. So here, in this particular question, many students have written preconditions. मैंने तुमको वहां पे भी लिखाया था. Preconditions are different and acceptance and continuance different. Okay? तो जब भी वो लोग बोलते हैं कि ऑडिटर को नया क्लाइंट एक्सेप्ट करना है या पुराना क्लाइंट को कंटिन्यू करना है, व्हाट आर द सेइंग्स जो उसको ध्यान में रखनी है, तो ये वाला आंसर है. अगर क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं व्हाट आर द प्रीकंडीशंस टू एक्सेप्ट द ऑडिट, तो ऐसे 210 का प्रीकंडीशन लिखने का. Acceptability of FRF, वो वाला point. Management is aware about their responsibility. Okay? Next is question number 15. The engagement partner shall take the responsibility for overall quality on each audit engagement to which the partner is assigned. Okay. Please read this. Discuss with reference to quality control. Which point will you write here? Discuss with reference to SA 220 quality control. Oh, wow. Very good. Very good. Yes, it is leadership. Because it is talking about engagement partner, कहता है engagement partner should take up the responsibility of the overall quality. We'll write leadership. So yes, engagement partner has to take up all the assignments of the quality. The important is work is performed as per professional standards, complying with all the quality control policies and procedures, issuing the appropriate audit report in all the circumstances, and raising concerns without fear. And the fact that the quality is indispensable. You remember, quality is essential. Next, question number 16. DM ka L. Very good. Question number 16. The person conducting the audit should take care to ensure the financial statement should not mislead anyone. Ye theek. Should not mislead anyone that the financial statements are as per books of accounts. This is CA intermediate question. That is happy ending. Of and relating to S, Q, C, and S. So how did it go, guys? How did it go? Feeling a bit confident? Yes? Can be said it is objectivity or integrity. Okay. So chaliye, as per target, we have completed the first major chunk of today's part. And now we need to go to peer review, quality review, and NEFRA. Mind blowing. चलो वेरी गुड. यही सिस्टम से पढ़ेंगे ना और यही गति से बढ़ेंगे ना तो मॉड्यूल के साथ साथ सारे मॉड्यूल के क्वेश्चंस आरटीपी एमटीपी के क्वेश्चंस कवर हो जाएंगे. ठीक. सो मेक श्योर जो भी बच्चे आगे EQs बेसिकली अभी मुझे एक छोटा सा अनाउंसमेंट करना है. यस, I have got various responses over Telegram and I have got various responses over mails as well and comments as well. So अब हमने क्या निर्णय निकाला है समझिए. जो भी बच्चे ऑलरेडी रेगुलर बैच में एनरोल्ड है, एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड बैच में ऑलरेडी एनरोल्ड है, जिन्होंने प्री बुकिंग करके रखा है, प्लीज कंटिन्यू दैट फ्रॉम द एप्लीकेशन. तो अब से जो एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड बैच के बच्चे विच इज अ पेड बैच, जो पेड बैच के बच्चे हैं, प्लीज कंटिन्यू ऑन द एप्लीकेशन. नाउ टुमारो एप्लीकेशन वाले बच्चों का कल आपका 7:30 बजे लेक्चर है. कल एक नया चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे. ठीक है. दिस इज अ पेड बैच, जिन्होंने एनरोलमेंट ले रखा है कल कंटिन्यू होगा. नाउ विथ रिगार्ड्स टू द फ्री कंटेंट, जो हमको ये सीरीज बेसिकली ये सीरीज में ना हमको रिस्पॉन्सेज मिला स्टार्टिंग में. अब हुआ क्या, नाउ द स्टूडेंट्स आर टेलिंग मी कि मैम हम लोगों ने अब तक छुट्टी नहीं ली है फ्रॉम आर्टिकलशिप फॉर मे एग्जामिनेशन, सो रिक्वेस्टेड अस टू कंडक्ट दिस इन द मंथ ऑफ January somewhere. Okay, taken the point. हम लोग हमारा ये वाला बैच कंटिन्यू करेंगे, तो जो भी बच्चे फास्ट ट्रैक में एनरोल्ड है, जो भी बच्चे एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड बैच में एनरोल्ड है, यू विल बी हैविंग योर क्लासेस एज रिक्वायर्ड एज नॉर्मल। तो ये कंटिन्यू रहेगा। प्री सीरीज में हम लोग रिविजन सीरीज लेकर के आएंगे, क्योंकि अभी हम लोग जो सीरीज लेकर के आएंगे वो लंबा चलेगा, जो बैचेस में कंप्लीट करेंगे। तो रिविजन सीरीज, यस इट इज पॉसिबल इन द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी, जब आपकी छुट्टी हो जाएगी फ्रॉम आर्टिकल्चर। डन डन। ऑलराइट, कूल है, एब्सोल्युटली ऑलराइट। आज का मैं ये करने के बाद एक होमवर्क भी देने वाली हूँ, जिसमें मेरा एक होमवर्क होने वाला है टू गिव यू इंटीग्रेटेड केस स्टडी। क्योंकि देखो, पैटर्न के बिना मैं ऐसा छोड़ तो नहीं सकती ये चैप्टर। पैटर्न है कंसेप्ट, क्यू एंड ए, एमसीक्यू। तो आपको एक इंटीग्रेटेड केस सिनेरियो भी मैं देने वाली हूँ एज होमवर्क। ठीक है, तो वो भी डिस्कस कर। ठीक है, actually I've enrolled for fast track batch, but it seems to be recorded. But I would like to join the live. Any possibilities? Ram, absolutely yes, there are possibilities. I'll tell you how we can do it. Because fast track and EOB mein, my conceptual clarity is going to be the same. ठीक है, concepts में कोई difference नहीं है. Only the length of question answers is going to change. So this, the number of questions which we are solving in exam oriented batch is going to be more, is going to be comprehensive. Every question will be solving up in the class only. ठीक है, so Ram, yes, there is a better possibility. Please call me tomorrow morning. तो टीम को भी कॉल कर लेंगे, still I'll guide them. लाइव बैच जो कल से कंटिन्यू होगा, वो कब तक खत्म होगा? टेंटेटिव पवन बाय जैन एंड। To attempt questions by the keeper. But I was very happy being connected to you guys for this particular week, at least for this particular chapter at least. The way I thought to give this warm up in order to kickstart with your preparation, I hope I have given it that to you. So please make sure whether you are joining the paid batch or not. अगर आप paid batch join कर रहे हो तो absolutely are going to work with me. If not, still you continue the studies. ठीक है, आप इस क्या कहते हैं, इस स्टेप को अब मत छोड़िएगा, because now there is the much need of consistency. At least 2 days in a week for this particular month you go, this is appropriate. But शुरू रखिएगा प्लीज। ऑडिट को एकदम फरवरी मार्च के लिए छोड़ मत देना बच्चों, प्लीज। ठीक है, ये जील मैं चाहती थी आपके अंदर पैदा करना। आई होप वी आर टेंटेटिवली रीचिंग आवर गोल। ठीक है, ऑलराइट। रेगुलर है ना बैच, लाइव वाला और फास्ट ट्रैक और एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड? तो रेगुलर बैच मैं ले ही नहीं रही हूँ, इट इज एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड बैच जो कवरेज पूरा दे रहा है। रेगुलर में हम लोग क्या करते हैं ना गाइज, रेगुलर इज अ काइंड ऑफ बैच विच इज गोइंग टू टेक मल्टीपल आवर्स, सो बेसिकली मोर देन 120 150 आवर्स इतना जाता है। तो इन दैट थिंग जो प्रैक्टिकल चीजें हैं ना, वो भी हम लोग कई बार सिर्फ एज अ टूल एडअप करते हैं। But currently we are giving you exam oriented batch and a fast track batch. So exam oriented batch is this full coverage of the concepts with question answers and MCQ. Concepts, Q&A and MCQ. Yes. Is it possible for me to join the batch from tomorrow? Vidhi, yes it would be. Okay, Jyoti, I need to talk to you then. Jyoti, are you from Navi Mumbai, bachche? All right. Okay, I hope I have answered all the queries. We have not yet completed this chapter. Picture भी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Okay. So I personally suggest जिन्होंने बैच नहीं लिया है, जिनकी एग्जाम्स मई या नवंबर 24 है, मई या नवंबर 24, वो बच्चे एनरोलमेंट ले ले. ठीक है, एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड बैच में एनरोलमेंट ले. जो 25 वाले बच्चे हैं वो कृपया वेट करें, क्योंकि आपके लिए हमारा अलग अनाउंसमेंट आएगा. वहां तक हो सकता है आईसीआई भी कुछ ज्यादा अपडेट लेकर के. So only those students, those who all are facing their examination in May and November 24, take up the enrollment in the batches. Now you all perfectly know how the pattern is going to be, what coverage is going to be, and how long are we going to take in this particular batch. Got it? Surely. चल. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं with the next very concept, that is 3 concept. एक मिनट ना बच्चों, वेट. इस चैप्टर के स्टार्ट में मैंने आपको बताया था कि इस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर में 5 पार्ट्स है. SQC1, SA220, peer review, quality review and NEFRA. याद आया? पहली बार जो बच्चे एग्जाम्स दे रहे हैं उनके लिए एग्जाम ओरिएंटेड बैच परफेक्ट. I strongly suggest please go for exam oriented and not fast. Exam oriented. Okay. चल. यहाँ पे SQC1, SA220 are done. Oh, great. All right. Okay. SQC1 and SA220 are done. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं with peer review and quality review. Now what is this? समझो. क्वालिटी. गाइस, कई बार ऐसा होता है हमारे साथ जहाँ पे हम लोग ना क्लास में बच्चों को टेस्ट देते हैं. भी मेरी क्लास में 50 बच्चे बैठे. मेरी क्लास में बच्चों को बोला, बच्चों सुनो, आप लोग ना टेस्ट दो. आई हैव केप्ट अ मॉडरेटर. वो मॉडरेटर चेक कर रहे हैं, कोई कॉपी नहीं कर. अब जैसे ही टेस्ट वेस्ट खत्म हो जाती है, डू यू थिंक मेरे पास इतना टाइम होगा टू चेक ऑल द आंसर्स ऑफ दिस 50 स्टूडेंट्स? सबके आंसर में एक एक पेपर ऐसे ले करके मेरे ऐसे चेक करूंगी, ऐसा टाइम होगा या नहीं? एब्सोल्युटली नहीं होगा. अगर तुमको लगता है हाँ, तो मैं तुमको पहले बता दूं कि हमारा भी एक परिवार है. माता पिता को आधार कार्ड देकर के हम घर में एंट्री करते हैं. वो लोग कहीं हमें भूल ना जाए, क्योंकि आखा दिन तो हम ऑफिस में रहते हैं. सो हियर आई सीरियसली डोंट हैव टाइम. तो मैं क्या करती हूँ, आई से कि बेटा स्टूडेंट नंबर ए, यू चेक द पेपर ऑफ स्टूडेंट बी, एंड स्टूडेंट बी, यू चेक द पेपर ऑफ स्टूडेंट ए. हैपन हो सकता है ऐसा. व्हाट इज दिस? अब समझो. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज पीयर. पीयर का मतलब होता है द पर्सन ऑफ सेम स्टैंडिंग. पर्सन ऑफ सेम स्टैंडिंग. इफ देर इज अ पर्सन ऑफ सेम स्टैंडिंग, ये पर्सन आपके काम को रिव्यू कर सकता है, द वे ही इज वेरीफाइंग योर आंसर्स. बट हाँ, अगर आपको सीए फाइनल में एंड मैंने आपका पेपर दे दिया टू सीए इंटरमीडिएट स्टूडेंट, क्या आपको चलेगा? What you will say? अरे मैम, he himself don't know what concepts are we having. He'll just be matching word to word. He's not appropriate person to review my work, or he's not an appropriate person to review my answer sheet. Yes. So what is this? This is a core concept issued by ICAI. So my ICAI here in this full scenario, ICAI is me. I want to make sure that the quality of the work performed by all the firms are appropriate. But I cannot personally go and check each and everyone's work. I have lots of work in hand. So my ICAI has established a board named as Peer Review board. What it is? What it is, guys? What it is? Peer review board. Peer review board. Okay. So in this peer review board, we'll try selecting some PU, some practice units. The one who all are practicing in auditing field. Practice unit. The one engaged in any engagement. And peer review board will also select the reviewer. Okay. This peer reviewer has to be of same standing. Peer reviewer actually gets himself empaneled by peer review board. They are empaneled. They will be checking whether the quality issued या फिर quality of the work engagement performed by practicing unit is up to the mark or not. Got it? Easy concept. So this is peer review. Any doubt? I'll take you to peer review. Peer review board is constituted by Council of ICI. The main objective of the peer review board is to ensure that in carrying out assurance engagement, all the professional, ethical and technical (PT), professional, ethical and technical standards are complied by the members (PU). Proper systems are in place for documentation of the work. सब कुछ जो कर रहे हैं वो क्वालिटी के हिसाब से documented है या नहीं. So peer review is meant for the purpose for enhancing the quality of the professional work. Peer review means examination and review of the systems and procedures by PU. Who is PU? जिसका हम लोग रिव्यू कर रहे हैं वो PU है, और जो रिव्यू कर रहा है वो PR है, peer reviewer. Once the PU is subjected to review and its assurance are subjected to examination by peer reviewer, say here is a candidate. ये है हमारी हीरोइन और ये है हमारा हीरो. Then a peer review certificate is issued. Reviewer क्या बोलेगा कि हाँ सब सही है, तो ICI भी मान लेगा कि okay, the quality of the work by PU is appropriate. हर लिस्टेड कंपनी इनसे ऑडिट करवाए, दिक्कत नहीं. ठीक है. अगर क्वालिफाइड रिपोर्ट आया तो हम लोग फॉलो अप करेंगे कि यार काम सुधारो अपना, क्या कर रहे हो भाई, अब काम सुधारो, as may be decided by. Got it? Absolutely all right. Next comes is quality review board. अभी quality review board, peer review board is purely established by ICAI, but quality review board is established by ICAI in cognizance with central government. So what is the case? There is a small story, so patiently listen to my story. I will be taking next 15 minutes of yours and then we'll wind up the chapter. Alright. ये है एक प्यार की कहानी. ये है हमारा राम और ये है उसका छोटा भाई श्याम. This is one of my favorite story, okay? Ram and Shyam lived in a small village. Ram, please let me know the name of your village. They lived in a small village with mummy and papa. Mom. ठीक है. अगर नेगेटिव ओपिनियन आया तो हम लोग उसको समय देंगे कि आप सुधर जाओ, हम लोग फिर फॉलो अप रिव्यू के लिए आएंगे. अगर नेगेटिव रिपोर्ट आया तो हम सर्टिफिकेट में लिखेंगे कि रुको, अभी आप कोई लिस्टेड एंटिटी का ऑडिट मत करना, हम बाद में फिर से रिव्यू करेंगे आपका, उसके बाद कोई एंटिटी का ऑडिट करना शुरू करना. अच्छा, चेन्नई आई कैन नॉट से इट इज अ विलेज, ठीक है, स्मॉल विलेज आई कैन से. ओके. नाउ राम हैड बिग ड्रीम्स. Ram wanted to earn money. Ram wanted to get famous, and Ram wanted to be a reputed chartered. Okay. So what did Ram do? Ram said to mom and dad, "Okay, mom, I don't want to stay here. I want to go to a big city. I'll earn, I'll learn, I'll complete my chartered accountancy course, and then I'll come back." जब भी राम इस गांव में रहता था, तुमको क्या लगता है उसका ध्यान कौन रखते होंगे? राम और श्याम का ध्यान कौन रखता है? मम्मी पापा, क्योंकि वो छोटे से विलेज में है और मम्मी पापा भी विलेज में है, तो ध्यान कौन रखेगा? मम्मी पापा. Ram then shifted. Ram then shifted to a big city. BGS. Ram then shifted to a big city, but mummy was very concerned. Mummy called her brother and मामा को कहा कि भैया राम जो है वो बड़ी सिटी में आ रहा है. So Ram shifted here to the big city and uncle auntie यहाँ पे रहते हैं. Here. Uncle and aunt यहाँ पे रहते हैं. So Ram got shifted to a new hostel. He got friends. He got a girlfriend too. Friend and girlfriend. Okay? Here in Mumbai or in any big city. Now you tell me, who will be taking care of Ram? Ram का help कौन करेगा? Who can take care of Ram here? मम्मी पापा और अंकल आंटी will take care of Ram. Tell me fast. Absolutely uncle auntie, because uncle auntie are in this big city, right? Now you understand the whole game. समझो. Ram is the auditor. When he was there in the small village, means he was auditing small firms, small companies. His audit was subject to mummy and papa. Mummy and papa are nothing but quality review board. So what is quality review board going to do? Quality review board is going to review the audit, process of audit, the evidences, the conclusion drawn by the auditor of some small firms, small companies, auditor of the small companies. But in big cities, we have big companies, listed entities with good amount of deposit, good amount of turnover, good amount of, I can say, what do we call that as borrowings. So in case, now when the auditor is shifted to big city, he'll be auditing big clients. And these big clients are subject to uncle auntie, and uncle auntie in this example are nothing but NFRA, National Financial Reporting Authority. This particular authority, ये जो particular authority है, वो क्या काम करती है? वो सिर्फ इतना ध्यान रखती है कि जो भी बड़ी बड़ी कंपनी है ना, उनके फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स एकदम सही से हो, इनके फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट्स में कोई भी मिसस्टेटमेंट ना हो. ठीक है. तो अब जो ऑडिटर यहाँ पे आया है, बड़ी सिटी में आया है, जो बड़ी कंपनी का ऑडिट करेगा, जो इनकी सब्सिडरीज का ऑडिट करेगा, इनका परव्यू रखने का काम होगा नेफ्रा. अब नेफ्रा चाहेगा कि ऑडिटर तू ढंग से काम करा, ऑडिटर यू प्लीज मेंटेन द क्वालिटी ऑफ ऑडिट. हाँ, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली नेफ्रा इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्ट्स ऑफ listed entity, of the entities having turnover more than 1000 CR, turnover, public क्या कहते हैं, equity, borrowings of huge amount, foreign entities, material subsidiaries. अब ये सब यहाँ पे. ठीक है. तो अब मैंने आपको सिर्फ दो कंसेप्ट पढ़ा है, क्वालिटी रिव्यू बोर्ड, क्वालिटी रिव्यू एज अ प्रोसेस, एंड नेफ्रा. बस ये दो ही चीज उन्होंने यहाँ पे लेकर के. तो दोनों are relating to audit as a service. Only peer review was related to all the engagement. Quality review and NEFRA is related to only auditing as an engagement. Got it? Sure. पक्का वाला. Let me summarize. Peer review is related to the quality of engagement by firm. So wherever they are going to give you report, but quality review and NEFRA are related to review quality of audit, quality of audit. Is it crystal clear, my dear friend? Last two paragraphs. Quality Review Board has been set up by central government. As I told you, now it is in cognizance with central government. So this Quality Review Board will have members nominated by CG as well as ICAI. Nominated by CG as well as ICAI. This Quality Review Board are required to make recommendations to Council how the quality of the work should be. They guide the members of ICAI to improve the quality of auditing, various statutory audits, to review the quality of the services provided by the institute, including auditing services and statutory auditors in respect of the companies, depending upon risk base. Now, what is risk based? I'll teach you in further class. Okay. What is NEFRA going to do? NEFRA is nominated under section 132 subsection 1. NEFRA is also, it is the duty to monitor and enforce accounting standard and auditing. So to oversee the quality of the services, standards are suggested to improve the quality of service. Right? So ma'am, are they going to review the same types of company? No. NEFRA is majorly related to big class of companies. So which class of companies, that we'll see in the later part, क्योंकि ये chapter में आपको वो नहीं दिया है, ठीक है? So NEFRA is just going to review the work of big companies, whether the financial statements, reporting are appropriate or not, and remaining ones are taken care by QRB, Quality Review Board. Ma'am, what is the deciding factors for small and big? Yes, Pawan, this is a very important question, but unfortunately that is not there in your syllabus, but still I'll make you see that. Wait, it was there in the earlier syllabus, but now it is not there for you. Selection of firm for QRB. This is quality review. As per NEFRA rules, companies which are covered by NEFRA are these: all the listed entities, all the unlisted having paid up share capital more than 500 or turnover more than 1000 CR, or outstanding loans, deposits more than 500 CR. Comprising the companies governed under special acts, any other recommendation, plus any subsidiary which is a material subsidiary residing outside India. Outside. All these companies are under the purview of NEFRA rules. Other than this, the companies are referred under Quality Review Board. Got it? Surely. तो अंकल आंटी ये है बड़ा शहर, इससे जो भी छोटा छोटा है या फिर नेफ्रा अगर कोई रिकमेंडेशन देता है तो वो QRB करे. अभी जैसे अगर राम ने ये मैडम के साथ शादी कर ली, ठीक है, अगर राम ने, कहाँ गया राम हमारा, हाँ, अगर राम ने ये जो मैडम है हमारी यार इसी शादी बोली वाली, अगर राम ने ये मैडम के साथ शादी कर ली तो हो सकता है इन दिस पर्टिकुलर केस नेफ्रा विल रेकमेंड इट टू QRB, भाई साहब आपका बच्चा तो शादी करके आ गया है. तो अगर कोई रेकमेंडेशन आया है तो QRB विल बी गेटिंग इन्वॉल्व इन बिग कंपनीज ऑल्सो, बट अगर कोई रेकमेंडेशन नहीं आया है तो नेफ्रा विल टेक केयर ऑफ दैट. समझे? Alright. So guys, by this, we complete the first chapter as committed to you all. I will continue this series on the application, this batch on the application. Those who all have not taken the enrollment, I strongly suggest please take up the enrollment. आप batch attend कीजिए, you complete the whole syllabus in one go, that is more fruitful. And that is all for the current lesson. Everything is done and dusted. Only a last homework for you all. In your study mat, homework mandate है boss. In your study material, there is integrated case scenario. Integrated case. ये आज आपको solve करना. Done? Great, obliged. So remember, audit is not difficult. If anyone says that audit is difficult, please make them understand the approach has to be easy and audit turns out to be. Chale guys. So that is all from my side for this YouTube sessions. Jo bacche paid hai, I'll see you all tomorrow in the class. You all keep studying, keep revising. Have a fantastic day or evening ahead. In case of any doubts, in case of any comments, in case of any discussion, please reach out to me through comment section or my Telegram sessions. Okay? Telegram channels. Okay? This is CA Khushboo Sanghavi signing off. Be safe. Take care. Bye-bye.